Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a bootable USB and entering UEFI. Create the installer on an 8 GB or larger stick and verify TPM2. 0 and secure boot compatibility. Once done, back up your important files so you can restore them if something goes wrong. Next, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and change the boot order to prioritize USB. Make sure USB boot is enabled and, if necessary, disable legacy options that would block UEFI installation. You boot from the USB and follow the installer prompts. Select Language, Keyboard, then click Install Now. When asked, decide between Custom for a clean install or Upgrade to keep files. Custom gives you full control over partitions. For partitions, delete or format existing Windows partitions if you want a fresh system, or create new ones. Select the primary partition and begin copying files. The installer restarts a few times. Let it run and don't interrupt power, or remove the USB prematurely. You finish with the out-of-box experience. Sign in with a Microsoft account or create a local account, accept privacy settings, and choose preferences. Once setup completes, install chipset and display drivers, run Windows Update, and verify Device Manager for any missing drivers. If you encounter boot problems, try Safe Mode, recreate the bootable USB on another stick, or reset BIOS to defaults. If activation or compatibility errors appear, double-check TPM and secure boot settings before retrying. Keep your backup available until everything is confirmed stable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.